Hi everyone, this is Dave Malby and I'm going to show you how to assemble and adjust the CamStand MagicStand. First, you insert the aluminum post into the base post receiver. Then, with a 7/16 inch wrench, you tighten the post to the base. Now you attach the magic arm onto the top of the aluminum post. To use your smartphone with the CamStand MagicStand, attach the cell phone adapter by twisting it in a clockwise direction until the adapter is tight. Now your CamStand MagicStand is ready for use. The MagicStand can be adjusted to almost any angle, and with only one knob, all articulated joints tighten like magic. This is Dave Malby, and I'm sure that you will enjoy using your CamStand MagicStand.